In this tutorial we will be learning about Subtractor. We will use the coding environment as Google Colab. Same like previous video. Firstly, we are going to install Blueqat in the Google Colab. Type pip install Blueqat. Firstly, we have subtraction using binary numbers. Subtraction of binary numbers. Subtractor uses a CCX gate to perform minus sign or a plus sign and a CX gate to perform subtraction. In this case, we will do a quantum circuit of binary subtraction, AB equals CD. This time, we will implement 4 types of subtraction according to the values of A and B. Each subtractor is, number 1. 0, minus 0 equals, 0 0 equals greater than, 0, 0, 0, 0. We have following code. Circuit plus subtractor M run, shots equals 100, and you get the expected result that is 0 0 0 0. Now let's implement the code in Google Colab and see the result. Once you're done writing the code, click on Execute button to see the result. And you get the expected result that is 0 0 0 0. Number 2. 0, minus 1 equals 1 1 equals greater than, 0, 1, 1, 1. Following is the code. Circuit x1 plus subtractor M dot run, shots equals 100, when you execute the answer will be 0111. Now let's implement the code in Google Colab and see the result. If we play on run button we will get the output as 0111. Number 3. 1, minus 0 equals 0 1 equals greater than, 1, 0, 0, 1. Following is the code for it. Circuit x0 plus subtractor M dot run, shots equals 100, when you implement the code in Google Colab you get the answer as 1001. Now let's implement the code in Google Colab and see the result. If we play on run button we will get the output as 1001. Number 4. 1, minus 1 equals, 0, 0 equals greater than, 1, 1, 0 0. And following is the code for it. Circuit x0, 1, plus subtractor M dot run, shots equals 100, when you implement the code, you get the result as 1100. Now let's implement the code in Google Colab and see the result. If we play on run button we will get the output as 1100. Subtraction using superposition. Now let's jump into subtraction using superposition. In this case instead of filling in the data one by one with the X gate, let's use the H gate to do the subtraction. Following is code. Circuit H0, 1 plus subtractor M dot run, shots equals 100, when we get run the code, we get the following output. Using the Hadamard gate, I got 4 answers, about 1/4 each. If you create a universal subtraction circuit like this, you can perform calculations using the superposition state. Now let's implement the code in Google Colab and see the result. When we run the code, we got 4 answers, about 1/4 each. Subtraction using entanglement. Now let's try on subtraction using entanglement. This time instead of the H gate, we try to subtract AB equals 0 using quantum entanglement. The following is the code for it. Circuit H0, CX0, 1 plus subtractor M, dot run, shots equals 100. When we execute the code, we get the input of 2 will come out about half by half. Now let's implement the code in Google Colab and see the result. When we run the code, we get the input of 2 that will come out about half by half.